Hi there, students. Forte. Forte is a noun. Okay, we use forte to talk about a skill that somebody excels at, a talent, a strength. He's a good cook, but cakes and pastries are his special forte. They are his special strength. They're what he's really good at. Now, you can also use forte in music as an instruction that a piece of music or a passage should be played loudly, the opposite of piano. So the violin should play this melody forte, but the trumpet should be pianissimo. Okay, I've given you these two definitions because forte is one of these words where we have various pronunciations for it. For me, I would always pronounce it forte, but I've heard people say forty, and I've even heard people say fort. Now, there are people out there who say if it's a skill, you should say fort. But if it's to do with a musical instruction, forte. But for me, forte always. So, a forte, a special skill, something that you excel at. C1 and C2 students are my forte. Beginners are not my forte. So, what is your forte? So a forte, something you're really good at, your speciality, your strong point, a strong suit. Yeah, suit in cards. A talent, a gift, a don. He has a forte for making speeches. Speeches are his forte. If you have green fingers, it means you have a forte for making plants grow. So, as I also said, forte can be a musical instruction to play loudly, and you can also use it in fencing and swords. It's a technical word, and the forte is the part between the handle, the hilt, and the middle of the blade. It's the strong bit. But forte, for me, the most common use, your strength, your special talent, your strong suit. So he's a good artist and he draws very well, but sculpture is really his forte. We all have a forte for doing certain specific things. Maybe I have a forte for upsetting people. So let's see, the English language, what is its forte? Well, I think the forte of the English language is expressing law, obligation, and finance. I think it's good for that. The forte of the Spanish language, I think it's good for love, feeling, emotion, and life. So, what is the forte of your language? So, forte, special skill. Now, what about formality? Well, I think I'd probably give this a 5.5 in formality. It sounds a little posh, but you could use it in an informal conversation. Maybe you'd say your strength, your strong point, your best skill. I think, however, when we use this forte to talk about music and played loudly, I'd probably give it a 6.5. It's a technical musical word. So what about origin? Well, forte, a skill, comes from French. And forte, to play music loud, comes from forte Italian. But both of these words come from the Latin word fortis, strong. So, what's your forte? comment to me in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Forte.